Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to return an Amazon item if you receive the wrong product, a damaged item, or simply change your mind. This tutorial is for those who want to use their mobile app to return an item. First, we need to open the Amazon Shopping app. If you already have it, just tap on it, and you will be taken to your Amazon homepage. To get to your orders, just tap the button next to the Home button. That is the Orders button. Here, you will see your orders, the Buy Again section, interests, and your list of registries. Now, to return an order, just tap the Orders option at the top of your app. Once you tap Orders, your order list will appear right away. You will then see the option to return, get a refund, or make changes to your order. When you tap your order, all of these options will show up. We cannot show you the exact process here because there is no purchase history available and it is not supported in our region. But if you do have purchase history, just tap Orders, and you will see the options to change, return, or refund your item right away. This tutorial is here to help you understand how to return an item on Amazon using the app. It will walk you through selecting your order, choosing a return reason, generating a return label, and sending the item back so you can get your refund or replacement.